Hello, this is Pedro with NuKeys. Today we're programming a new remote head key to a 2015 Ford Explorer using an Autel IM608. There are two important steps in this process. One is programming the key to start the engine, and the second is programming the remote functions like lock and unlock. So let's get started. After selecting IMMO status scan, pay close attention to the number of keys already programmed to the vehicle. If you see any error messages or fault codes, make sure to clear them before moving forward. The ignition is already in the on position, so go ahead and select OK to continue. After selecting Start, you'll see a reminder letting you know that this process will not erase any existing keys. Now remove the original key from the ignition and insert the new key that's going to be learned. This is the key we'll be programming to start the vehicle. After selecting Yes, the system will begin programming the new key. This will take about 10 minutes to complete, so sit tight. Yes, it's hot today, but let's get back to our program. Once the programming is complete, the system will display the current number of learned keys, in this case 2. After selecting OK, the system now shows 3 keys learned, confirming the new key was successfully added. There are no more keys to be learned, so select No. Next, remove the new key, reinsert it, and start the engine to confirm it works. That wraps up our first important step, programming the new key to start the engine. Now, let's move on to programming the remote functions such as lock and unlock. After selecting Remote Relearn, take a moment to read through the procedure carefully. For example, opening the driver's side door and pressing the unlock button on the door panel while the door is open, and then inserting the key in the ignition. Then turn the ignition on and off 8 times. The door locks will cycle, confirming the vehicle is in programming mode. You will then press any key on the remote and the door locks will cycle again, confirming the remote has been successfully programmed. So let's try it. Open, unlock, insert the key. Now let's turn it 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sweet. Now press any button on the remote and the door locks will cycle once again. Now verify that the new remote functions are working, and also verify that the original remote still works and that both keys can start the engine with no issues. This is Pedro with NuKeys. If this video was of any help, give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching.